SOLIDWORKS Ultimate combines the capabilities of SOLIDWORKS Premium with the cloud tools you need to effectively interrogate, communicate, and manufacture your designs. Sketch, assemble, and sculpt your designs with a host of extra capabilities added to the industry standard desktop CAD tools. Discover creative new ways to design directly within your internet browser on any connected device by pairing the traditional parametric modelling of SOLIDWORKS with online subdivision modelling tools for greater ergonomic control, as well as extra browser-based tools for sheet metal design, structural fabrication, moulding, and drafting applications. SOLIDWORKS Ultimate opens the door to efficient manufacturing workflows with CNC programming capabilities that allow you to create, validate, and simulate machining programs for milling, drilling, and more. Reduce errors and avoid production delays with powerful shop floor simulation tools and the Abacus-powered design optimization technology to unlock additional virtual testing applications for structural and kinetic analyses. These integrate directly into your workflow so you can ensure your designs both perform and manufacture as expected. All of these design tools and capabilities are linked together by comprehensive product lifecycle management tools, providing traceability to file interactions, secure storage, and allowing complex product structures to be managed with ease. Businesses across the world trust SOLIDWORKS to deliver their vision, and as a part of the TriMech Group, we support them throughout their product development journey. Watch how SOLIDWORKS can streamline your design and development processes in the demonstrations around our website, or book your own private demonstration to discover how SOLIDWORKS and Solid Solutions can help you achieve your design dreams.